Oh yeah. I forgive a little more of those who are in need. That you take Allah have mercy on you. If you surely have yourself for everyone who's around you. On the day of judgment, Allah will surprise you. If you show good tidings, pray hard 5 times a day. Show love to everyone around you. Yeah. If you learn and teach others still on the day of judgment, I'm sure they